Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to download and install Google Contacts. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed to our button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match. Go with open to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see their Gmail, images, a lab icon, and this. So click on this to show Google Apps, and here you need to scroll down and look for contacts. So if in case you haven't seen your contacts here, I can see it here, but in case you haven't seen it in your case, you just have to scroll down and go with this option called More from Google. So in that way, you just have to scroll down once again and look for jump to our products in this window and you would be able to see all of the Google products that is being created under Google. But these are only featured products. So we need to change the filter into for all. So how? Click this down arrow and select on for all. Once you're done, you would be able to see all the Google products and services. Here, you need to locate for contacts. Click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see context here. Okay. And if you'd like to install that in your phone, okay, you just have to click on install on more devices. In my case, I have already it being installed in the phone. Okay, that's why it says here install on more devices. But if you'd like to install it in another devices and in your device, you just have to choose your device, okay? So here your device already has this item installed. That's what I'm saying earlier. So click on install and it will be installed in your phone. But let's say if you'd like to install this in your PC. So all you need to do is you need to proceed with the three dots there at the upper right side of it and go with cast, save, and share. The moment you do that, you can see there an option which is install page as application. You just have to name this into context. So please delete the extension and leave the context here as named. Once done, click on install. And in that way, you would be able to install this context apps in Google Play here in your Windows 11 PC or computer. So you can minimize or you can close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.